Happy New Year, everyone! Yes, it's a new year, a new day, a new life, a new hair for me, and a new lesson for you. By the way, my name is Teacher Byrne, and today we are going to talk about Solal or Lunar New Year. But before that, I am going to ask you a question. How do you celebrate New Year or Tulol in your country? Alright, very good. So here in the Philippines, we celebrate New Year together with our friends and family. We also prepare food like ham and queso de bola. So a New Year is not complete here in the Philippines without ham and queso de bola. So queso de bola is a cheese like ball. So it's red on the outside and yes, it looks like a ball. Of course, round fruits and fireworks. Alright, now let us proceed to our lesson. So I have here a short description for Sulal. Sulal is a national holiday, or we call it Lunar New Year, for countries like China, Korea, Vietnam, Mongolia, Singapore, and many more. Alright? So, I am going to put the word Sulal and the meaning of it inside the chat window. Okay, the chat window is the box at the very bottom. Okay, can you see it? Can you see the word and the meaning? Very good. Now, well, to lol, or those countries who celebrate Solol, they use lunar calendar. So they only have 354 days. Okay? For those countries like that. But here in Philippines, we have 365 days and we are using solar calendar. Alright, so that's it. So we are going to talk about two countries who are celebrating Sulal. So the first one is Vietnam. Okay, help me to read. In Vietnam, the holiday is called Tet. Children dress up in traditional clothing. So these children here are Vietnamese and they are wearing their traditional clothing and they call it áo dày. So it's in the chat window. It's their traditional clothing. And I have here another example. So children wearing áo dày during Tet. Okay, now let us go back. And the next country is Mongolia. So the Mongolian New Year is known as Sagaan Sar. Many people visit their ancestors in faraway villages. So I have here an example of how Mongolian people celebrate their New Year or Sagaan Sar. So they go to their ancestors, they visit their ancestors in faraway villages to celebrate Sagaan Sar. Alright? Let's go back. And we have two words here. First is Tet, and Tet means the New Year in Vietnam, and it lasts for 3 days. Okay, so I'm gonna put it inside the chat window. Wait a bit. Alright, so it's in there. And the other one is Sagaan Sar. So it means Sagaan Sar is the Mongolian Lunar New Year celebration. Okay, so I'm going to put it inside the chat window again for you. Okay, so it's in there, and I have two questions to ask. First is, alright, so for children in Vietnam, what do they dress or do when celebrating the Tet? You can see the answer in the article. Alright, very good. So children dress up in traditional clothing or what they call Aodai. So the second one is, in Mongolia, how do they celebrate New Year? You can also see the answer here. Correct. So many people visit their ancestors in faraway villages. Alright, so I think that is all for today. So I will see you the next day for another lesson here also in Petra Academy. So I hope you learned new stuff and new things from me today. So I hope to see you the next day. Bye bye.